Hello everyone, welcome to the Canary Islands and the island of Lanzarote. Can you believe it's February? Beautiful blue sky, huge sandy beach, totally deserted, and a blue sea. The temperatures are in the 70s. Lanzarote is a wonderful place to come for a winter holiday. This is Playa Blanca in the south of the island. It has many restaurants and international hotels, very popular with families. And in the distance you can see the island of Fuerteventura. Wonderful place. From here we're travelling down this toll road. Can you believe it's a toll road? We've just paid €3 to come down it. It leads to Papagayo, which I'm told is very beautiful. Let's wait and see. Wow, yes, it's beautiful. Look at those colours. Absolutely magnificent. Deep blue sea, waves lapping gently on the shore, with a backing of Playa Blanca and its white villas and hotels. There's 3 restaurants here, so if you want to buy a drink or get something to eat, you can sit here and just watch the world go by. Here's one of the catamarans that brings people to this part of the island every day. Absolutely beautiful. We're now making our way to Omar Sharif's villa, or what was his villa. He had it built here as a holiday home, but as many of you know, he loved a game of cards. And he got into a game of bridge with a gentleman, and he put the villa up as a stake and lost. He then later found out he was playing the European champion, but it was too late, the villa had gone. It's now a museum. Wonderful views out across the countryside to the hills on the horizon. And as we come round, you will see Arrecife, the capital of Lanzarote, in the distance. There it is. We're now going to make our way back to Playa Blanca, past farms and open land. And this is a lava field, thousands of years old. We get back to Playa Blanca in time to see a Tai Chi class taking place on the beach. I hope you've enjoyed the video, but for me it's time to go. So it's goodbye until the next time. Thank you for watching.